Starting a satellite industry business begins with identifying a niche. Consider areas like telecommunications, Earth observation, navigation, or data analytics. Conduct thorough market research to understand demand and competition, and validate your idea before moving forward. This groundwork is crucial to set a strong foundation. Next, we will move forward to develop a comprehensive business plan and secure the necessary funding. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your mission, target market, revenue model, and growth strategy. Prepare a compelling pitch to secure funding from venture capital, angel investors, grants, or government programs. Building a strong team and navigating necessary regulatory requirements are crucial next steps. Assemble a skilled team with expertise in engineering, business development, and regulatory affairs. Thoroughly navigate regulatory requirements to ensure compliance. A well-rounded team and strong adherence to regulations are the backbone of your startup's success. Next, we'll explore the roles of research, development, and marketing strategies. Investing in research and development is crucial to creating innovative satellite technology. Alongside this, a robust marketing and sales strategy is essential to effectively reach and engage your target audience. These elements build a foundation for ongoing success. Finally, launch your service, gather customer feedback, and continuously improve while scaling your operations. With the right strategy, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. Thank you for joining us on this startup journey. For more insights and guidance, please contact us at www.spacewavelabs.com. Let's reach for the stars and beyond. We look forward to hearing from you.